Snake's New Year's resolution. It was New Year's Day. Snake felt excited but didn't know why. Everyone talks about resolutions. What is a resolution? Snake wondered. He slithered to Tortoise's house to ask. Tortoise, what is a resolution? Snake asked. Tortoise smiled and said, a resolution is a promise to grow or help others. What is your resolution? Tortoise? Snake asked. I will walk every morning to stay strong, said Tortoise. Snake thought, that's a good idea, but I want my own resolution. Snake slithered to the river and saw Otter working hard. What are you doing, Otter? Snake asked. I'm building a bridge to make the river safe for small animals, said Otter. That's a great resolution, said Snake. Next, Snake saw Parrot singing a happy song. What is your resolution, Parrot? Asked Snake. I will teach songs to my chicks so they can sing too, said Parrot. Snake smiled but still didn't know his resolution. As he slithered home, Snake heard a soft cry. He found Mouse stuck under a heavy log. Snake gently lifted the log with his tail and helped Mouse out. Mouse smiled and said, thank you, Snake. You are so kind. I know my resolution now, said Snake. I will help my friends whenever they need me. Please hit likes and subscribe to my video channel. Please hit likes and subscribe to my video channel. Please hit likes and subscribe to my video channel. Please hit